How did the rich achieve financial freedom? How can we build wealth like the top 1%? The answer lies not in a secret formula, but in a clear understanding of personal finance and wealth building. It's about grasping the fundamentals of money rules, gaining financial literacy, and implementing practical steps towards wealth creation. Today, you will learn how to start building wealth with money rules for beginners. Let's discover the secrets the wealthy have known for years and start your path to financial freedom. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. It's a simple truth, yet so often overlooked. Understanding the ins and outs of personal finance is a game changer. It's like getting a roadmap to your financial future, a compass that guides you towards your wealth-building goals. So, where does one start? Begin with budgeting. It's the cornerstone of financial management. It's about knowing where your money is going and making sure it's working for you, not against you. Next, dive into the world of investing. It's not just for Wall Street whizzes. Anyone can invest, and the sooner you start, the better. Don't forget about tax planning. It's not just about paying Uncle Sam. Smart tax planning can save you a bundle and help your wealth grow. How do you gain this knowledge? Read books, attend seminars, take online courses. There's a wealth of information out there waiting to be tapped. The most successful investors are those who take the time to learn and understand the financial world. A goal without a plan is just a wish. This wise sentiment is especially true when it comes to building wealth. You see, wealth creation isn't an accident, it's a process. And like any process, it requires a specific, detailed plan. Start by setting clear financial goals. Know how much you want to save, by when and why. Then identify the steps you need to take to reach those goals. This could involve cutting down on unnecessary spending or finding new ways to increase your income. Next, consider your investment strategies. Where can you put your money so it grows over time? This can include stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Remember, your wealth-building plan should be tailored to your personal financial situation and goals. It's not about what works for others, but about what works for you. With a clear plan in place, your journey to wealth becomes a roadmap to follow, not a dream to chase. Do you have a wealth-building plan? If so, let me know in the comments. As your income increases, should your spending? This question leads us to the concept of lifestyle inflation, a trap many fall into. Lifestyle inflation is when your spending increases as your earnings do, leaving you on the same financial treadmill, just at a higher speed. It's like running up a downward escalator. You're moving, but are you really getting ahead? The danger here is clear. Every dollar spent on upgrading your lifestyle is a dollar not saved or invested for the future. It's a dollar that's not working for you, it's working against you. So how do you avoid this? Firstly, it's about mindset. See increases in income as opportunities to accelerate your wealth building, not as an excuse to buy a more expensive car or to start dining at fancy restaurants every night. Secondly, consider automating your savings. As your income rises, increase the amount you automatically put away. True wealth building means resisting the urge to spend more as you earn more. Is wealth a matter of luck or strategy? A common misconception paints a picture of wealth as a game of chance, a lottery where only the lucky few strike gold. But let's debunk that myth right here, right now. Building wealth isn't about stumbling upon a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. It's about making smart decisions, day in, day out. It's about taking calculated risks, not throwing your money into the wind and hoping for the best. It's about consistency, not the occasional windfall. Consider the tortoise and the hare. The hare might get lucky, sprint ahead, then lose it all in an instant. The tortoise, however, steadily accumulates wealth, making thoughtful choices and progressing at a consistent pace. So let's redefine our view on wealth. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. Luck may play a part, but it's your actions and decisions that truly build wealth. Where does your money go? That's a question we should all be asking ourselves. Tracking your spending is like shining a light into the shadowy corners of your financial life. It's about understanding where every penny is going and why. Are you spending too much on takeaways? Could you save more on groceries? Do you have subscriptions you've forgotten about? The answers to these questions lie in your spending habits. By keeping a close eye on your outgoings, you gain the power to make informed decisions about your money. There are many tools to help you with this, from budgeting apps to good old-fashioned spreadsheets. These can highlight the areas where you're spending unnecessarily and where you could be saving more. Tracking your spending isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making sure that your money is serving you, not the other way around. Is one source of income enough? Let's delve into this. Picture a river. If it has only one tributary and that source dries up, the river ceases to exist. Now imagine your income as that river. Depending on one source, you're at risk if that stream dries up. Enter the concept of multiple income streams. It's not just about having more money, it's about financial security. It's about having a safety net. Different income streams could be investments, side businesses, or even part-time jobs. These can serve as your financial lifelines if your main source of income takes a hit. Moreover, multiple income streams can accelerate your wealth creation. It's like pouring more water into our river, making it flow faster towards the ocean of financial freedom. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. What's more important, cash flow or net worth? This question is often asked, and the answer might surprise you. While net worth, the total value of your assets minus your liabilities, is certainly important, it doesn't tell the whole story. Imagine having a high net worth, but it's all tied up in assets like a house, and you're struggling to pay your monthly bills. Doesn't sound ideal, does it? This is where cash flow comes in. Cash flow is the money that flows in and out of your pocket. It's your income and expenses. It's the money you have available to invest, save, and spend. Focusing on cash flow means focusing on increasing your income and reducing your expenses. It's about creating a surplus of money that you can use to grow your wealth. So while net worth is a snapshot of your financial health, cash flow is the lifeblood. It's the engine that drives your financial growth. Can living a modest lifestyle make you wealthy? It might sound counterintuitive, but the answer is a resounding yes. Let's unpack the concept of living below your means. This isn't about penny pinching or denying yourself enjoyment. It's about financial discipline and long-term vision. Imagine your income as a river and your lifestyle as a vessel. If the vessel is smaller than the river, there's an overflow. That overflow is your savings, your future investments, your ticket to financial freedom. But if the vessel is larger, the river runs dry. Spending less than you earn gives you the freedom to save, and saving allows you to invest. And when you invest, your money works for you, even when you're not working. The power of compounding interest can turn modest savings into a substantial nest egg. So, living below your means isn't about sacrifice. It's about making smart choices today that will pay dividends tomorrow. What's the best investment you can make? It's not stocks, bonds, or real estate, but investing in yourself. When you invest in your education, you're broadening your skills and knowledge, making you more valuable in the job market. When you invest in your health, you're ensuring your ability to work and enjoy the fruits of your labor for many years to come. When you invest in personal growth, you're cultivating the mindset that will help you overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and create wealth. Think about it. All your dreams, ambitions, and financial goals are realized through you. So, doesn't it make sense to invest in the vehicle that's going to get you there? It's not just about money, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. And that, my friends, is priceless. So remember, you're not just a cog in the machine of wealth creation, you're the engine. Is wealth a sprint or a marathon? This is a question you might ask yourself when you're on the road to financial prosperity. The answer, unequivocally, is that wealth is a marathon. It's a long-term journey that requires a steadfast spirit and an unwavering commitment. Like any marathon, the journey to wealth necessitates patience. It's about understanding that growth takes time, that investments mature, and that wealth accumulates. It's about accepting that there will be ups and downs, and that's okay. But it's not just patience, it's also about persistence. It's about sticking to your wealth building plan, even when you're tempted to stray. It's about never giving up, because persistence is the key to unlocking the door to wealth. In the end, remember this: wealth is not a destination, it's a journey, one that's filled with twists and turns, highs and lows. But stay the course, and your financial goals will become your financial reality. So, are you ready to start building your wealth? The journey to wealth starts with a single step. So, take that step today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video.